The concrete lining trolley is regarded as non-standard equipment applied to the secondary lining construction of the tunnel and mainly used for concrete lining construction of inner walls of the tunnel. Shandong Boyoun Heavy Industries Company Limited is regarded as the integrated solution expert in the road and bridge construction equipment industry. The hydraulic lining trolley, produced by the company, has the advantages of reliable structure, easy operation, and good tunnel formation surface, and can be widely applied to the field such as roads, railways, water conservancy and hydropower, and municipal engineering, defense, and military. At present, hydraulic lining trolley can be divided into a topside arch form, a full circle form, and an inverted rainbow form. The video will take construction of the double-track tunnel of some railway as an example for detailed introduction. 1. Trolley assembling. Level the outside tunnel yard, pave sleepers and rails, and check whether the distance between tracks coincides with the designated one. Assemble a traveling device and a bottom beam and hoist them into place. Gradually install portal frames and connect them by a diagonal bridging. Assemble a top die and a top bracket according to the design size. Hoist them to the corresponding portal frame and arrange jacks and other devices and connect them. Assemble the side formwork and hang on a hydraulic oil cylinder. Assemble a crawling ladder and an operating platform and prepare for lining construction. 2. Lining construction. After construction of preliminary supports and inverted arches, detect construction preparation conditions in the tunnel and move the trolley to the initial lining position. Start a hydraulic system motor and adjust steel templates to the preset position. Install and lock side formwork connection screws and grounded screws to prevent shifting. Assemble a water-stopping formwork and an anti-floating jack. Detect the jack of each component and screws, fasten bolts, and prepare for grouting. During grouting, pump the concrete, uniformly pour by a grouting well, and uniformly vibrate the concrete. Initially coagulate the concrete to the die-removing strength. Remove support screws and remove the formwork by the hydraulic system. Retract bottom beam support jacks and top anti-floating jacks. Start the traveling motor and travel to the next pouring position. Repeatedly circulate the 4 processes of template installation, grouting, die removal, to complete the overall tunnel lining operation. Take Boyoun. Take the safety, the quality.